Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn Microsoft is providing the Microsoft rewards for the student 2026. There is a free certification, wages and swags. So you can go through the step-by-step process to avail these certificates, wages and swag. So and one more thing is there, first 500 learners win a free Microsoft t-shirt. So prove your skill, earn recognition, and level up with the AI Pariksha. So welcome to AI Pariksha, the final milestone of the Microsoft AI Skill Yatra, where you AI learning become the real achievement. So complete Microsoft Applied Skill AI certifications, earn official digital wages, get industry recognized credentials, and there is a key deadlines are there. Program ends on 20th Feb 11:30 p.m. and first 500 learners will a free Microsoft t-shirt. So perfect for the student, beginners, professional ready to build future in AI skills. So there is my Microsoft AI Skill Yatra. So this is the link where we'll go through that and fill this form before 20th Feb 2026. So first let me open this page AI Pariksha. So prove your skill. So AI Pariksha is the final checkpoint of AI Skill Yatra. So you can apply the skill assessments and AI certifications. So pick your Microsoft applied skill or AI certification that excite you. Go through the task and so you can actually do with AI. Once you complete the assessment, you will unlock your official digital badges. So additionally, upload your credential or prove your com- completion, and if you are among of the first 500 learners to the finish during the campaign, you will also score a cool Microsoft brand t-shirt as a bonus perk. So complete below listed exam. So there is a term and conditions are there. Submit your details. So this is the form. You can submit your details with the AI Skill Yatra Pariksha Zone and participate in the AI Pariksha Zone where you put the skill of the test, earn wages and showcase your AI talent and readiness for the future. Additionally, first 500 people will win a Microsoft branded t-shirt. So other things are there. You can go through this. So your institute name, first name, last name, email address and select which applied skill certification you have completed. So you can click one of these when you will complete and other details are there. Okay. So here Microsoft username, click this one, you will get a Microsoft username and display to your username. So come back to this page. So applied skill assessment, generate reports with the AI research agents, is- streamline business workflow with AI chat, build a Azure AI vision solution, build a natural language processing solution with AI languages. And Microsoft certifications are there. Azure AI Fundamental, Azure AI Engineer Associate, AI Transformation Leader Beta, and AI Business Professional. So other details are there. You can go start with the above also. So there is a too many things are there. So first we will concentrate on the AI Pariksha assessment zone, and you complete this one, you will be able to find the this one. So get industry recognized credential and official wages and complete the Microsoft applied skill and AI certification. So step by step we have learned about this. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose. And you can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. Link is already given on the description. And follow the process exactly shown in the video. Subscribe to the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.